Hello students, good morning. Today we will study passive voice, how we can convert active voice into passive voice. Voice means sound. Whatever we speak to express our feeling or condition is called voice. Two types we can convey our feeling. First is directly, the subject is doer in any subject. Is active voice. When work is important, work is done by someone is called active voice. Passive voice. Work is done by someone is called passive voice. मीन्स जब हम कोई काम या कोई भी काम करता है वो एक्टिव वॉइस है, और जब कोई काम का महत्ता होता है, काम का इम्पोर्टेंस होता है, वो पैसिव वॉइस होता है. जैसे कि मैं पढ़ाता हूँ, ये एक्टिव वॉइस है, लेकिन पढ़ाया जाता है ये पैसिव वॉइस है. मैंने काम किया, ये एक्टिव वॉइस है, और काम किया गया मेरे द्वारा, ये पैसिव वॉइस है. तो ये दोनों तरीके से हम अपनी बात को कन्वे कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट थिंग वी हैव टू लर्न फॉर चेंजिंग इन पैसिव वॉइस. First thing, subject is changed into object and object is changed into subject. First thing. And second thing, helping verb is used according to new subject. And third thing is, third form of verb is always used in passive voice. We have to remember only 3 rules. According to tense, we should understand the passive voice. Present indefinite. Structure is new subject plus helping verb. In present indefinite, helping verb is MR. New subject, helping verb plus third form of the verb. After that, by, object and other. We understand according to sentence. She plucks flowers. In passive voice, first thing we should know, we should find only 3 words: subject, verb and object. Only 3 things we have to see. She is subject, pluck is verb and flowers is object. How can we understand object? If we write here, I go to school. I subject, go is verb and school is, to school is not a object. Object is, we should know when we apply what and whom, anyone before verb, and what reply comes is called object. Because we see, she plucks. She plucks, वो तोड़ती है. क्या तोड़ती है? What plucks? तो flowers. Reply is object. This is object. In this way, if we write here, I gave flowers to him. I gave, मैंने दिया. क्या दिया? फ्लावर्स दिया. ये ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड whom, if we use here whom, I gave, मैंने दिया. whom gave, किसको दिया? तो उसको दिया. यहाँ पे दो ऑब्जेक्ट दिए. देयर इज 2 ऑब्जेक्ट. देयर इज, one is direct object and second is indirect object. Both object we can use here. She plucks flowers. We will change it into passive voice. Subject is she, plucks verb and flowers object. We will change object into subject, flowers. After that, helping verb, flowers is plural, so we will use here are. Flowers are plucked verb, third form of the verb, plucked by, and after that she will change into objective case her. Flowers are plucked by her. In this way we will change active voice into passive voice. Second example, they invite me. They is subject, invite is verb, and me is object. This is indirect object. Me we will change into subject, subjective case I, helping verb I के according, am, invite third form of the verb I am invited, after that by, they का objective case them, I am invited by them. Negative sentence. This is indefinite positive sentence. This is negative sentence. Negative sentence structure: new subject plus helping verb is am are plus not plus third form of the verb by object. I do not write poem. I subject, do not negative sentence, write verb, poem object. This is object, we will change into subject. Poem, poem is single, so we will use here is. Poem is, after that not, write third form of the verb, write written, after that by, subject is object, objective case me. Poem is not written by me. Third is interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, first we will use helping verb is am are, after that new subject plus third form of the verb by and object. Example, do they call me? Do, first we will start in interrogate helping verb. Subject is do they call me, object is me. According to me we will use am. Am, after that I, subjective case me का subject I, am I, third form of the verb called, am I called by, they का object them, am I called by them. Fourth sentence, who opens the door? By whom, who की जगह पे हम यहाँ पे whom, by whom, helping verb is, the door opened. In this type sentences we will use question word the starting, after that helping verb, after subject and verb. In this way we understand present indefinite tense passive voice.